Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to bleed Porsche Boxster cooling system. Start by ensuring the car is cool and on level ground, then open the coolant reservoir cap slowly to relieve any pressure. Gather tools including a funnel, a clear hose, and a bleeder kit if available. Work in a ventilated area and protect paint and surfaces from spills. Keep rags and the coolant catch container handy before you begin. Begin bleeding by locating the bleeder screws on the thermostat housing and near the coolant flange. Then loosen them just enough to allow air out without leaking fluid excessively. Attach a clear hose to guide escaping coolant into a catch container so you can watch for steady fluid flow without bubbles. With the heater on high, slowly raise engine RPM twice per minute each, then recheck fluid level and tighten screws. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about saving and funding car projects, and it is a great companion to DIY maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy, and now let's get back to the video. If you still see air or experience temperature spikes, double-check all clamps and hose fits and verify the thermostat opens when the engine warms. Performing multiple bleed cycles often removes stubborn pockets, and a pressure test can reveal hidden leaks that introduce air. After any coolant replacement, always perform a full bleed cycle and monitor temperature gauge during a short test drive to confirm stable operation before concluding the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.